Hello, students. Today we will discuss a very soulful story, The Portrait of a Lady. Let's start with some key points of the story. The Portrait of a Lady by Khushwant Singh is a heartfelt tribute to the author's grandmother, depicting her as a symbol of love, tradition, and strength. The story explores the deep bond between the narrator and his grandmother, discussing how their relationship evolves over time. It contrasts rural and urban lifestyles, highlighting the grandmother's discomfort with modern education and Western influences. The grandmother's spiritual devotion, her routines, feeding dogs and sparrows, and her quiet acceptance of change reflect her respectful and honorable character. Now, let's discuss the chapter in detail. Starting off with their life in the village. The grandmother woke him up and prepared him for school each day, establishing a comforting daily pattern. She walked him to the temple based school, where she spent her time reading religious scriptures while he studied. On their way back, she fed village dogs with stale chapatis, a ritual that brought her joy and demonstrated her compassion. Their village life nurtured a deep connection between grandmother and grandson, built on shared daily experiences. When the narrator's parents moved to the city, they brought both the narrator and his grandmother along, changing their living circumstances. He attended an English school by bus, and she could no longer accompany him as she had done in the village. She struggled to understand his new curriculum, disapproving of subjects like science and music, which lacked spiritual teachings. Gradually, their interactions dwindled as their daily routines and interests diverged in the urban environment. As the narrator pursued higher education, the grandmother withdrew into isolation, spinning and praying all day. In moments of reflection, she dedicated hours to prayer, engaged herself with the spinning wheel, and discovered joy in feeding sparrows. When the narrator left for abroad, she accepted his departure without emotion, blessing him silently at the station, showing her stoic acceptance of life's changes. Upon his return after 5 years, she welcomed him with the same serenity. That evening, she broke her routine to sing and celebrate, showing rare emotion. She collapsed shortly after the celebration, as if her final duty of welcoming her grandson had been fulfilled. Sensing her end, she spent her last hours in prayer. Her death was peaceful, reflecting the manner with which she had lived. Her funeral was marked by a silent gathering of sparrows, a touching tribute to her kindness and the connection she had formed with these simple creatures. In conclusion, Khushwant Singh's The Portrait of a Lady immortalized the grandmother as a timeless figure of unconditional love and tradition. Her life, though simple, was rich in devotion and quiet strength, demonstrating the beauty in ordinary existence. The story underscores the inevitability of change and the power of memory as traditions give way to modern life. The narrative leaves readers with a great sense of loss and admiration, highlighting how ordinary lives can leave extraordinary impacts. The story shows the clash between old ways and new life through the grandmother's struggle with change. The grandmother loves her grandson completely, even when they grow apart. Her daily prayers and religious habits show how faith helps her cope with change. Time changes relationships but leaves core values intact. The story conveys that while progress is unavoidable, the values of compassion, spirituality, and connection to one's roots remain irreplaceable. The grandmother's legacy lives on in small, sacred moments like the sparrow's silent morning, showing how simple acts of kindness create lasting impact. Through the grandmother's character, we learn that a life of simplicity, devotion, and quiet acceptance can be profoundly dignified and meaningful. We hope that you have understood the topic. To watch more videos and study effectively, check out the Eduref app and website.